Utah Gun Exchange, the nation's patriot marketplace. Buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.
I'm getting incredible service over here at the Glock booth. Amazing. The booth is amazing. The people are amazing, and of course, the products are amazing. I'm here with competition shooter Ashley Ruart. Ashley, can you tell us what you do for Glock? Maybe I just did, but I know you're also going to help us with this booth review of the latest and greatest from Glock. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so my name's Ashley, like you said. I'm a member of Glock's shooting team. So I go all over the world and compete in competitions for them. So today we're here at SHOT Show, Las Vegas, Nevada, 2018 Glock booth. We have 3 new pistols I want to talk to you guys about today. First, we have the new Glock 26 Gen 5. This is a really nice gun. It has all the same features that the 17 and 19 did when we came out with it last year, except it does not have a flared mag well. Still has the no finger grooves, ambidextrous slide stop, the NDLC coating on the slide, and the Glock marksman barrel. So it's a little 26, spent some time with it, it's very nice. Next thing we're going to show you is the Glock 34 MOS Gen 5. Same thing with the 26, all the same features. It's available in MOS, so you can put an optic on top. And this does have the flared mag well. I know Team Glock will probably be transitioning to this gun throughout the year and start using it in our competitions. This 34 is what I use all the time, so I'm probably going to be getting a lot of rounds in with this one.
Nice.
And last but not least,
the much awaited, highly anticipated.
Yep, Glock 19X.
19X,
this
all right.
Is an awesome gun. I shot it at media day, and it's super sweet. It feels really nice.
What makes it so awesome?
Well, it's kind of like a completely new category of pistol because it's known as a crossover because you combine a full-size frame and a compact slide into one gun. Totally new breed. This is the first gun that Glock is going to offer. It comes from the factory with a colored slide, the coyote coloring. And has some of the similar features as the Gen 5, like there are no finger grooves in the grip, the Glock marksman barrel and ambidextrous slide stop. So it comes from the factory with night sights as well.
Perfect. Excellent. And when is that available on the market?
It's available right now.
Oh, okay. Fantastic.
So, guys, go get you one.
What's the MSRP going to be?
MSRP on the 19X. 749.
740. Okay. Very nice. So Ashley just pointed to the Glock 19 and said, "Have you shot this thing?" I said, "No, I haven't."
Yeah.
And what did you say?
I said, "This gun is sick. That's awesome."
It is sick. Okay.
I shot it and I was like, wow. Totally blew my mind. I love it.
Very nice. And what is it? I mean, you have the ability to shoot whatever you want being on the team. What is it that you like most about the shooting experience of that gun?
It's just when I picked it up, I like the full-size grip. So I can get a really good grip on it. And when I shot it, it felt really well balanced. Just fun to shoot,
Very good. All right, well, thank you again for your time. It's a great looking gun, too. What do you think of the color?
I like the color. Something different, changes it up.
Yeah, definitely. Normally my favorite is black and anything as dark as black, but FDE or... Have you guys got a proprietary name for that?
The coyote color.
Coyote.
Coyote.
Okay. Very cool. Well, thank you once again, Glock 19X. Very cool. Gen 5, model 34, and that's pretty much what you've been shooting in competition, right? But not the Gen 5, so you're going to be moving over that. And now we've got the 26 in Gen 5 as well. Could you highlight some of the features that make it what it is, make it the 19X?
So it's going to offer nice sights from the factory. No finger grooves on the grip. Ambidextrous slide stop, Glock marksman barrel, coyote coloring on the slide. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ashley. Really appreciate your help. And we wish you all the luck in the world with your new shooting career at Glock.
Yeah, appreciate it.
And hope you have a fantastic competition season.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
All right, thank you. This is Sam with UtahGunExchange.com signing off from the Glock Booth SHOT Show 2018. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and go to UtahGunExchange.com for all of your Patriot gear needs.
To all those in Second Amendment deprived states, if you're reading this, you are the resistance, and we are with you. The nation's patriot marketplace. buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.